Hi guys, welcome back again. So here are your data science trainer. So guys, I have told you about how you can do the different operation with the font formatting, and in the previous video I have told you how you can change the that background color of a cell. So now guys, I will tell you how you can add borders to the cell. Okay, for this purpose let me create a data here. Okay, we will use merge and center, in which I will write data. I hope guys that thing is clear how you have to use merge and center. Okay, let us set it the 4. So now I will create a column here, in which we have 1 2 3. Okay, perfect. So now we have a column 2 here, in which we have suppose any value, and then we have a column 3. Perfect. So now guys, how we can add the borders to it? So the thing is very simple. You just have to select all the this column, then you have to go on the home. In this ribbon I have told you that this is for the border. Then I will use this border. Okay, and I will select okay, all borders. See guys, now border is added to our this column, as you can see. Okay, and there are guys number of various border you can select. Okay, every border is having different thing. Wait a second, let me select it. Okay, now if I change the border, mm, 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 thick border outside. Okay, so now you can see that border is being thick. Okay, this thing is very much clear guys. Now coming to the part, now if you want to add the colors in the border, how you can do it? You just have to select the columns, then you have to press the right click, and you have to select the format cells. In this format cells you have to go on the border guys. Here you can see now the colors are there. Again, add the green. Suppose I want the blue. Actually blue is my favorite colors. Okay, and you can select anything here, any format. You can also change the style of the border. Now if I select it, okay, wait a second. Now why it is not reflecting us the change? Okay, let us select the red. Okay, perfect. Okay, why it is not showing us the change? Let us see guys. Actually, let me check whether I have set it. Yeah, I have not set the outline guys. Okay, you have to now click on this outline. Okay, then it will show us the changes. See guys, now our this outline is being red. Okay, and apart from it you can also change it in the inside also. Now the inside the line is also red. Okay, you can also change the color according to your need guys. It is very easy. Okay, you just have to practice this thing once in your compiler. There are so many colors. See, and apart from it guys, you can also like feed the color using the hex. Okay, hexa values. You, if you don't know about it, you can simply search it on the Google how you can use it. Okay, if I want to select this, suppose pink color. Okay, okay, see now my color is being changed. Okay guys, I hope that this thing is very much clear. Guys, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from the DevTown. And guys, please also like this video. Thank you very much.